Well, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and
ring that notification bell.
Ring that notification bell, he said. Hey guys, well, it's the day after we had some bad storms last night. Not as bad as some of y'all got. I know Sulphur, they're definitely in our prayers. Daniel and DJ down there, their home was safe, but the town, if you guys have not, go Google search some pictures of Sulphur. It was a really significant tornado went through there and really messed up the town. So be in prayer for them and everyone affected through there. I know the Eddies are down from that area, so just be in prayer for all of them. Keep them in your thoughts. And while we're getting some stuff ready out here, I'm going to roll some video, just some random video we've collected on our phone. There's some of Hunter playing baseball, Hallie playing softball. We got them messing with a little snake, and something that happened with Hallie. You guys have seen them. What happened? What did that snake do to Hallie? What did it do?
Bite her.
It bite her or bit her?
It bited her.
It bit her.
Bit her.
It bit her. I just got through saying, you'll see in the video, hey, you better leave that thing alone. You're gonna make it mad, it's gonna bite you. And then it bit her. So we're gonna roll that. We're gonna get these sawhorses out. And what I need to do, before they inspect the pen, which I need to have a feeding area built. So I need to have a something built that the food will stay dry on, something with a cover. So we're gonna go and build one of those.
You weren't no python. Should I try to let it bite me?
I'm not sure why you would want to let it bite you.
It doesn't have any teeth.
Let's set it down and see if Hunter's brave enough to catch it.
It's probably gonna squiggle away.
Well, catch it.
Yeah, I caught it. Hudson. Okay.
Hudson, watch out. Sissy's gonna put it down. All right.
It's like disappeared. Sit. I was gonna catch it. Set it back down. Set it back down. It's easy. Set it back down.
Watch out, sis. Let him do it. You can't be scared. There we go.
No. Okay, you want it?
All right, easy. You're gonna make it where it's gonna bite you if you keep throwing it around like that. Oh, it bit
me! I didn't even get up my head and get it, it bit me!
I told you. Hey, quit dropping it. That's why it's biting. Quit dropping it. All right, pick it up and put it back there where it was, sis.
No, I want to.
All right, put it back where it goes. Over there.
Yeah! Let's go harder! Go harder! Yeah!
Oh, good. Yes, fair. Yeah.
On the bag, stay there,
Oh.
there, get up, easy, back,
Too easy. You good?
drive him in, Cam.
Alrighty guys, well, we just got the legs built. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna raise this up about a third of the way, probably, and anchor it to the side, and then come out and build a top around it and put that piece of tin on it. So
What is it?
that's the plan.
I have a question. What is this going to be again?
A feeding station
Ooh. Or
for the deer pen. Duh. All right, let's get busy. Well, we're about done. I'm just fixing to put in these cross ones, and then we're going to put a couple pieces of sheet metal on there, and then we'll drag it back to the deer pen. Well, I got it figured out. I'm going to, you see I got the tin on there now. I'm going to climb up on this little stool, see if I can get it anchored. But this tin is very, very thick. I'm going to have to go back and drill some holes and then put the screws in there. I don't know. I'm going to give it a shot. Alrighty guys, well here you have it. I got it braced up here on the bottom, on the top here, good to go. All we got to do is get it in the deer pen and it'll be ready for inspection. Alrighty guys, well before we close out this video, we're going to give you a quick garden update. You can see behind me, we planted it almost a week ago. We're going to see if we have anything popping up. We're going to check on our plants in the raised garden bed. I know we have at least one broken plant from the storm possibly, but we're going to go check it out and see what's going on. See anything? Oh, there's it. Right there. Ain't it? Yeah. Yeah. We got some popping up.
potato?
No, this is the okra here. Got a little seed off, a little bit right there. There's quite a bit popping up right here, there, there.
Where's the potatoes?
There, we got a little bit of action over here. Yeah, we got a little bit.
So this is all gonna be okra like this?
No, not all that over there.
Where's our squash?
Look at that.
That squash?
Popping up already.
That squash or
Cucumber. So we got some stuff popping up here in these rows, as you can see behind me. So that's a plus. But here, Lindy said you can see she's walking up somewhere. I just saw her. Oh, right there with Hetty. But she said we had a jalapeno plant. We needed to plant another one. Maybe, oh, I think she pulled it up already. Yeah, she pulled it up already. So it must not have been from the storm. We got some peppers there. Our tomatoes are looking healthy. See right here, we need to, hey, pull that big green, that weed out right there. Yep. Pull that, the whole thing out. Yep. There we go, pull all that out. Perfect. And then these tomato plants are looking really good. Looking big and flush. Yep. Hear the thunder rolling in the background. Looking dark and dreary. Alright guys, well that is all we got on today's video. I'd like to thank you guys so much for joining us. Garden's doing good. We got plenty of rain. Thankfully I don't think it washed any of the seeds out, so that's a plus. But we're gonna hop off here. Yeah, that's what I was telling everybody. It's been about a week. So, what do you guys think? Hunter, come here. Hey.
What are these?
Hunter, was you out or was you safe? Be honest at home.
Out.
You were safe? What do you think they think? What do you think? I slowed it down for them. You think they're going to say you were safe or out?
Probably safe.
All right, tell them to drop in the comments. Let them know what you think.
Yeah.
What they think. Tell them.
Drop it down in the comments. Know what you think.
Let me know what you think.
Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Until next time. God bless.
No, you got to put your hand over that.
Thanks for watching. Until next time. Oh,
I look at the camera, not Daddy.
do it.
Come on, you got it, bro. Thanks for watching. Till next time. God bless.